Hi, I'm Dr. Meyer coming to you from East Bay Disc Centers, and I want to tell you today about an amazing technology we have in our office called non-surgical spinal decompression. I'm sitting on this decompression table right now. The goal of using this treatment is to help people who have the toughest cases of neck or back pain, and sometimes that includes arm or leg pain. They're not getting resolution, whether they're seeing a chiropractor or taking medicines or any other type of care. In my 28 years of practicing, I can tell you I've not seen the type of great outcomes that we have since employing the decompression. It makes all the difference for those hard cases. So if you or anyone you know is suffering with symptoms like what I've just described, we encourage you not to suffer any longer. Give us a call. Our number is 925-320-3472. Come in for an initial consultation. Let's find out if you're a good candidate for this therapy, and if so, I bet we can help you tremendously. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.